Our names are Sherry and Keith Smith. We're building the Kincaid floor plan in Pines at the Preserve in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. I think our or the best thing about working with Shaw Homes so far is the responsiveness of our salesperson, which is Jeremy Blair. Anytime that I've called him or reached out, he has been very quick to respond or answer his telephone. In my opinion, I think what sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders is the options for their floor plans as well as their pricing. I think that because they have three tiers of homes, it gives buyers from all different price points options that would suit their needs. If someone were considering building with Shaw Homes, I would tell them do not rush. I would say ask questions such as where are some communities being built up currently or in the near future so that they know that there are options. I think that's one of the benefits of working with Shaw is that there are so many communities in the Tulsa area, outside of Tulsa, the suburbs, etc. So you don't have to feel rushed and think that what is present or current are the only options available. There's probably something in the near future coming up.